out here in my little porch garden, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to grab some greenies for today's video. So I've got two greenies. They're Cherokee purples, but they're green, so we're going to fry them up. Let's have some fun. Hey there, and welcome to another edition of Cooking a la Quarantine. I'm Jason, and today we're going to make bats. My favorite coffee mug. Gotta get started. You're probably sitting there thinking to me, what in the world is a bat? Well, bat's a little flying thing that goes through the air at night and eats insects. But in this case, what it is a bacon, avocado, and tomato sandwich. Lettuce to me is just extremely unappetizing. So what we're going to do is this actually inspired me from some place in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. It's called like the Blowing Rock Ale House. But we were there a couple of years ago and they had a fried tomato BLT. I'm going to try to recreate that. So I've got my bacon, I've got my breader, I've got my pimentos, I've got my cream cheese, and I've got some onions, and I've got some mayo. Got some Old Bay, I got some Texas Pete, some bread, and one of these little bad boys, it's an avocado. And I even have greenies out of my garden. So, wait a minute. That doesn't look like a BLT or a BAT or any of that. Well, today we're also going to do my homemade pimento cheese. My father-in-law calls it cheese dip. I make it every time I go up there. What we're going to do is I've got some sharp hoop cheese from Piggly Wiggly, and we'll hook it up. So we'll be right back. All right, so I've got about 8 ounces of cheese in here. I'm making a very small batch. Most times I make a rather large one and everybody feeds off of it for a week. So we're going to make a smaller one. Now I cheated a little bit because this is Cooking a la Quarantine. I've already got some softened cream cheese here. It's got chives in it, you know. I thought, hey, why not? The recipe doesn't call for it, but I always use a recipe as a guideline. So, you know, I'll scoop that out and get that in there. And it calls for 3 ounces of cream cheese, and I just didn't want to open up another packet of cream cheese, so I cheated. Now, we've got the cream cheese. I'm going to put some low salt Old Bay in here. About that much. I've already cut up a bunch of onion. Now, this is what red onion is actually good for, is stuff that you don't use cooked onions in. Gives it a nice crunch and flavor. So, let me go a little overboard, but and gotta add my mayonnaise. Oh, can't believe I'm doing this for you guys. I hate mayonnaise. Even the look, the smell, all that crap. And see, here I go, struggling to open a jar. We'll be right back. All right, now that I had Muscles McGee open this up for me, I'm gonna, it's pimento cheese. It's supposed to have pimentos in it. I'm gonna put about 2 scoops in. What is a pimento? It's actually a pepper. You can buy pimentos whole. So what we'll do, see, look what I do for you guys. Oh my God, that looks disgusting. All right. Now I'll eat the pimento cheese with the mayonnaise in it, but I won't, like eat it. I always wondered if somebody took one of these jars and put vanilla pudding in it and ate it on a bus or something. That'd be kind of funny. A little pepper. I guess that's why I only went to Clarion and not Harvard. I had these random thoughts in my head. So, oh yeah, and a little of North Carolina's own Texas Pete. And I'll meet you over at the mixer. Hey guys, so sometimes things don't work out just as I have planned. I followed the recipe to a T, and it's a little wet, and it really doesn't taste like cheese. So I'm gonna break out my secret weapon, the seriously sharp cheddar cheese, and we're gonna add that to this. So, I mean, it's cheaper to buy it like this at Sam's Club. I've got an entire cheese shelf in the fridge. I'm not making that up. But like I said, a lot of this stuff is just guidelines. If you got to tweak it a little bit, hey, it's like throwing hand grenades, not darts. So I'm gonna cut off a big chunk of this, put it in there, and see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'll add some more. I mean, that's the way it happens. All right, so I'm gonna do one of these things, frying green tomatoes. If you would have told me 18 years ago when I moved here that I'd be doing this now, I would have laughed at you. Shoot, I'll still laugh at you. But very simply, put this in your egg wash. I added a little bit of milk. And I've got my Cajun seafood redder deader. And oh, by the way, this isn't like canola oil or anything. I went completely southern. It's bacon grease. So All right, so I've never really done this. I know it sounds funny, but never really cut open a avocado and I tried to do it once, and I think I got scared because I almost cut my hand. So, now what my wife does, I'm just I didn't try that at all. So, anyway, Banjo's got a new toy, I guess. So, scoop this out. Okay. Oh, good job, Jason. Didn't make too much of a mess. All right, so here's how we're going to construct all this. Got this is a Cutco spreading knife. You know, I hate to say it because this thing's expensive as hell, but it works great. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spread this on like butter, I guess. Had to think of my words there. But, you know, like I said, this is my twist on stuff. I can't take full credit for it because that brewery up in Blowing Rock had it. But it was pretty damn good. So, you know what? Presentation be damned. I'm just gonna roll with it. Oh yeah. You know the sandwich is good if it's got stuff falling out of it. All right. Wasn't that? Oh my goodness. Look at that. I mean, I got crap pouring out of it. So let's give this a shot. And whether I was filming or not, that would have really happened to me. It would have fallen apart a little bit. Boy, that super sharp really helped. So let's bite into this. It's messy, but it's good. I've got avocado, bacon, fried green tomato. Gang, try to make this. I hope you enjoy this as much as I did because this tastes great. Look, be kind, be excellent to each other, and keep an eye out because I'm going to have a giveaway this month that's going to benefit the local battered women's shelter. Have a great day.